Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be unboxing and testing the Bobo clasp phone holder, which is completely made of aluminum. So this is the box. It's claw grip aluminum phone holder. It even comes with a bracket to use with the scooters. So these are the contents: the aluminum holder. So this thing goes on your handlebar. This is the Scooty bracket and extra 3M patch, which you can use if you lose your included ones. So the round structure goes on your handlebar. This is the metal clamp, nice and heavy, designed in US. So this is how you do it. You insert the circle on your handlebar with the black inserts and use the L-shaped wrench to tighten it. So now put the circular ring inside the ball and gently press the holder, so it will slot into place, and now you have a full 360-degree movement. Just tighten the screw which you inserted inside. So now let's go for a ride and see if this clasp is any good. We'll be going on small B roads as well as highways to check if this new aluminum holder from Bobo is any good. Testing out my new metal clamp phone holder. Hopefully it will hold my phone, because new phones are getting really expensive and I really don't want to waste a lot of money buying a useless phone when I have a working phone right now. I've always wanted to buy a Cadillac Escalade, but after seeing a Fortuner being able to completely block the entire side of the road, I think I should probably reconsider my choices. I didn't know there was a restaurant here.